money on this US 30 trade, still holding. Stop loss is at break even. First trade of the week on these accounts. So as you can see here, today I passed my funded account with Top Step. As you can see, I passed my funded account. Stuck to the plan, guys. Remember, I showed you guys when I got the account. I told you guys that I'm going to follow the plan. That I'll be tracking everything, and I'll show you guys when I pass it. And here it's passed. Going to activate it now, and I will be trading live starting tomorrow. I'm also taking all the same trades on my live personal account. Just made it to Dunkin'. I'm about to grab the coffees, and then I will be going to Chick-fil-A for their breakfast. My account is funded. I'm currently passing 3 other funded accounts, working on those, and then I'm trading on my personal account as well. So it's a couple different accounts to manage. I am staying on top of it. It's not too difficult, but it's more challenging than just having one account open on your phone that you can just trade on, right? I'm trading on multiple computers, I'm trading on multiple accounts. I even have an account that's trading multiple accounts based off of trade copier, and my hair looks crazy. But so I just wanted to come on here and talk about that a little bit, guys. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my trading, obviously. I don't know exactly how this vlog's gonna turn out. We'll see what other footage I get. I just wanted it to be pretty much informational and authentic. I wanted you guys to be able to relate to it, to a trader who's actually in a similar position to you, that's put in all the time that it takes to become consistently profitable, and now applying all of the knowledge and experience that's been acquired over the years and just documenting it all for you guys to see. And not only to see, but to follow along with. You can keep up with my content. Also, I trade live daily, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. You can join my VIP in the link in the bio, and you can trade with me live every day. You can ask me questions, you can see my trade ideas, you can see where I'm entering, where I'm getting out, why, and you just have a community of like-minded individuals to trade with and to learn with. So if that's you, if that's something that will benefit you, feel free to sign up, and I'll see you on the inside. I really want to talk about the importance of following your trading plan. I would like to say that since I've really started following my plan and honing in on what it is that I need to follow and what's messing up my approach in trading, I've noticed that following my trading plan has dramatically changed my trading. From sticking to the times that I know I want to trade and only trading at those times, to being on point with my risk management and making sure that no trade I take I'm risking too much. I've also got really good with closing my positions. Closing my positions and not letting them run too long, like not getting greedy and letting them come back to my entry before I actually get to profit off of them. And all these things are things that I've just learned from experience of trading, just from doing it over and over and learning the ins and outs and what are the things that are going to allow me to increase my edge in the market for more consistent gains. So bro, I just wanted to come on here and say, guys, anything you set your mind to is possible. Absolutely anything that you set your mind to is possible. Me, I'm locked in. I've been sticking to my schedule. Hold on. Been sticking to my schedule, trading every morning, following my trading plan. It's been going smoothly. Remember, guys, not every day is going to be a winning day in the market, but you have to just stick to your plan. Alright, guys, I have taken a long on US 30. This is my first trade of the week on these accounts. So we'll see how this goes. I'll keep you guys updated. We're halfway to the TP. Alright guys, so we're just about done trading for today. I caught one trade today, a long on US 30. Everything was broken down on live, caught with the live chat. I'm all out of the trade. I took the trade on my live funded account. I didn't get to take the trade on my personal account, but at least we're live. So I'm about to wrap up for today. Everything was broken down live. But yeah, guys, it's really amazing what happens when you stay consistent. It's really important that this year that we stay consistent, we stay disciplined, and that we do what we know that we need to do. Don't get in your own way. Don't break your trading plan, and just stick to the system, man. This year, I'm scaling everything up crazy. Okay, I'm scaling everything up crazy. I'm staying consistent. Just watch. Give me time. See what I do. Y'all gonna be here with me. We're gonna have a whole upgrade, man. You're gonna see the whole shit get upgraded. So just give me time.